Well, good morning. What a wonderful day. Come on, Fred. Golden Motor's coming over to mow the lawn today, so we have the lawnmower ready. Come on, wanna go out? You dug a big hole, didn't you? Look at that. Let's get your chain off and you go play. There you go. So we're gonna get the lawnmower out and get the Craftsman all serviced and ready to go. Okay, I got Dixie out now because the front valve stem broke off of the Craftsman here. So I gotta take that tire in the Northern to get fixed. So we got Dixie out now. We gotta find some hydrostatic oil for it or something to use because she's a little low on the one side. So look online and see what I can use. Well, hopefully Dixie doesn't mind, but I got some John Deere Hydro Guide, so I'm gonna put that in. Hopefully she's okay with that. That thing's on there good. I got some of this when the neighbor passed away, this oil, about 5 years ago now, so she's been around for a while. It wasn't very low, but it was low a little bit. I went down and broke the bead, and then I went to New Orleans and got a, had them put a new valve stem in there. Cost me $3. So, now I just gotta put it back on. It's gonna use Dixie. Dixie's only running on one cylinder, so I need a fang to push that on with. Okay, good to go now. Good to go now. Now we just gotta grease the deck and put some gas in there and grease all the front bearings and everything. It'll be good to go. Okay, well I think I got it all ready to go. I just tested it out. It seems to work pretty good. Sometime I might have to drill and put greasers in the deck like Missouri Old Timer showed us how to do that. You know, he's a pretty smart fellow. We did that on Roman's lawnmower and that worked good. I'm gonna go town and get some gas for this lawnmower and see if we get some spark plugs for this one. See if that'll cure it. So. Well, Golden Motor's been cutting grass with the Craftsman now, so we'll go over and see how it looks. He says it's been working pretty good, so. Where is he? Behind the tree over there? There he is. Got his gums out because the sun's out, so.